I got this new Z-Grill 700 2C2E Backyard Warrior on their end of summer sale for $550. Since I live in Southern California though, grilling season pretty much doesn't end, and if it does, it's not till at least November, so it's a great time for me to pick up a grill at a good price. All told, to put together took about 2 hours. The factory instructions were actually pretty good. I thought for a little bit I was missing a couple of washers on the rear leg assemblies, but I finally realized that there was a typo in the instructions and they just call out the wrong washers. I stumbled in my garage, so you can see this is the next day to start it up for the first time. The first time fire instructions, you go through kind of the whole process to burn it in. You let it smoke, and you turn it off, and then you add pellets, and you let it smoke again, and you turn it off, and you kind of go through this whole process. When the pellets are fully ignited, it actually is pretty clean and doesn't really produce any smoke, but you can see here the pellets are on fire and I'm seeing a lot of smoke. Some of that is from the pellets, but a lot of it from the smell actually. You can kind of even see the color there is from the manufacturing oil. It's smoking quite a bit. I included the burn down process here just because I thought it looked kind of cool. There's nothing really other to say about it. You don't normally see this, but just to watch it burn down, I thought it was kind of cool. Once the whole process was done, I put the flame diverters and the grate back in, turned it up to high, and let it just cook for about an hour. When it was all done, I couldn't smell any more oil or grease, and it was all ready to use.